Right, here we go. So in the last video, I picked up Mewtwo in the Santa Cruz Pokemon blind deck opening, and this time we've got another one. Picked this up from eBay. It should be sealed. This is how it came, so I guess we'll just open this up and see what we get. Hopefully we get a gold box this time, but who knows. I'll put this one to the side and we'll open up the one here. Right, let's open this one up. Packaged pretty well, to be fair. Not really sure how I'm going to open this. It's very well secured. You know what? I should have gone at the end, shouldn't I? Yeah, that would have been way easier. Right. Try to take this out. Here we go. So it's fully wrapped in bubble wrap. Do I have to cut that off as well? I'm gonna have to, let's just cut through it. Scissors are not helping. Here we go. So, I got another one of these. I've already opened one before and got Mewtwo. This is the second one. It is sealed, so happy with that. Purchased it on eBay. Got it for around £230, so pretty happy with that as well. And I guess we'll open it up and see which one we get. Hopefully we get a gold one this time. Not very optimistic about it. Here once again is a look at what you can pick up. Obviously we're hoping for Charizard. Last time I got Mewtwo, and then any of the gold ones on the bottom I would be happy with because they go for a ton of money. So super excited. Like I said in the last video, there's 250 I think each of all the top Pokemon here, and then the gold ones there's 50 each, so super rare. And yeah, I guess if we get the gold Charizard, I'll be going absolutely ecstatic. If we don't, we'll see, I guess. So I just cut it open? Yeah, let's just cut it open. So, cut it open. Take the board out. It is wrapped fully, so you can't see what it is. So there's no like cheating or anything like that. So the paper's fully wrapped. So I'll cut open the paper. Terrible at opening this. And the last one. Like so. Right, this is how I did it last time, so I can't see what it is. If it's gold, we're just going to go a bit wild, but it's not opening. Right, here we go. Oh, just rip the paper. It's silver again. What one do we think we got? So I've not seen it. Turn it round and we'll see. Oh, not bad. Bulbasaur. Pretty happy with that. I don't know how much that one goes for, but not as good as the Mewtwo one, but is that good? Let me know down below in the comments if you think that's good. This one I'll probably put up for sale because it's not my favourite Pokemon, but still another cool one to have in the collection, I guess, if I keep it. It would look good next to the Mewtwo one, so I'll hold you both of them side by side so you can see them. So Mewtwo one is the one I got last time, and then obviously got this one this time. Which one do you prefer? Mewtwo for me, way cooler, looks so much better, but this one's quite nice as well. I'm still on the hunt for the gold one, so I guess let me know down below in the comments if you want me to keep going with this series until I get a gold one. It's getting stupid expensive now because the price on these boards has gone up. I think for a blind deck now it's about £320 when I got these for 230 each. So it's gone up by about £100 per board, which is a bit crazy, but that's just what it is. The hype around these is absolutely crazy right now. And it is actually quite fun to unbox these. And yeah, not that happy that I got Bulbasaur, but I just enjoy opening things with a little bit of mystery about them. It's almost like a mystery box, and it's quite exciting. But yeah, I'll maybe give this away. Let me know down below in the comments if you would like it. But thanks for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.